inside of your pipette. With some of the channels, it's better when they are closed. With some channels, it's better when they are open. But now you probably wonder how we put that small capillaries with electrodes inside into our bodies to measure the current. Well, we don't put them in our bodies. Well, not all the time. Most of the time we have to isolate cells from our body, but not only isolate them, we have to keep them alive, because only live cells allow to everything to work, and only in live cells ion channels will work, and only in live cells ions will move inside of them. How do we do that? How we isolate the cells? Well, first we have to decide which ion channels we want to isolate, which cells we want to isolate from what body part. So we take a piece of that body part. If we want to check ion channels inside of the heart, we have to cut out a piece of the heart. Then we have a piece of tissue. It's still too big. So we have to break everything to separate cells from each other. We use different things to separate cells from each other. We can use something that is called homogenization, when you just break everything what you have, and all the cells after that process are floating in a solution, and then you use different centrifugations. And because every cell and every element in our body has different weight with different speeds of centrifugation, we can separate them from each other, because inside of a probe they will be on different height in our solution. Sometimes you need something harder to break the bonds between lipids and proteins inside of your cells, and then you use detergents. But not like soap or dish soap detergents or laundry detergents. This time we're using biological detergents, which are enzymes. And we have different group of enzymes. Some of them break only lipids, some of them break only proteins, and some of them break only starch. Depends what kind of tissue we have, what kind of cells, and what we want to take out from it. We use this kind of lipids, this kind of enzymes. But also, not always we have to cut a living organism to take out cells. Right now we know how to grow cells, and we are getting closer and closer to growing whole tissues and even whole organisms. Organ. Yeah, no one knows how to grow orgasms inside of a petri dish yet. But I read an article today that some women grow a new type of wheat that makes it easier for women who smoke it or eat it to have orgasms. So you know that detergents can break fat. Lipids are fat, so all our membranes are made out of fat. Some of our organs have more fat than the other. For example, our brain is mostly fat. A lot of people want to reduce the amount of fat in their bodies by losing weight. Some of them try to not eat fat at all to achieve that, which is not so good because a lot of substances that we need are soluble only in fats, like some of the vitamins. A, D, E, and K vitamins are soluble only in fat. So some people may tell you that you should drink a lot of carrot juice that have a lot of vitamin A to help your eyesight. But drinking only carrot juice won't really help you because vitamin A is soluble only in fat, and that's how it's absorbed into our body. But now I finished doing dishes.